For the past year, ChatGPT has been the #1 contender in AI for pretty much anything. But today that might have changed forever. If you haven't heard yet, last week Google released their own LLM to compete with ChatGPT, and they called it Gemini. They released a video that was pretty wild. The video made it seem like Gemini could do a lot of the things on the fly.
This is a picture of a crab.
That's right.
I see you're drawing a guitar. You've added an amp. Now it's an electric guitar. We can make some seriously loud music now.
But it was faked. Turns out that the video was more of a fancy edit job than actual AI magic. So yeah, they put it together later, but that doesn't mean that it can't do the work. It just does it in parts, so don't let that get you down. Now, today Google has officially launched the APIs for Gemini. That means that developers and tech whizzes all around the world can now start building different apps with Gemini, opening a new door in the world of AI with more choices and more fun. And not only did they release the APIs, but they're giving it away for free so that developers can try it out right now without any cost whatsoever. Now, talk about having an open bar but for AI. This might definitely be goodbye to ChatGPT and OpenAI. Google has pretty much infinite resources, huge servers, and some of the best developers in the world, so I guess only time will tell. Remember though that the free access to Gemini, it's kind of like a limited time offer. Google's planning to start charging for this sometime next year, so if you're into this stuff, make sure that you take advantage while it's free.